Hello everybody, it's BuddyBoy with another YouTube video. Welcome. Really? Sorry, I'm eating some gummy clusters right now, so I apologize. I'm finishing up now, but welcome back to... Why'd it get darker? Welcome back to, Indigo Park. I love the music so far. The first video went really well, so, why? I wanted to make another one. Whee! Alright, music's really loud, but it's okay. What am I supposed to be doing? So there's these things that I can interact with, where the texture is like not rotating with the block. Wait. No. Huh. Oh, purple. Oh. I figured it out. Okay. Okay. Y'all hear the front? Did you? What the fuck? I'm not going up there. No, thank you. Is that bird bitch running around here? Cause hello? Y'all don't understand. Okay. I hate being chased. Like that's my number one. Not my number one, but one of my biggest fears is just being chased. I absolutely fucking hate it. Hate it. Yellow circle. Going back here. Yellow circle. Yellow circle. Perfect. Okay, so yellow's good. And I have to go back in here and find the other shapes. Did I miss any? I don't think so. Okay, I think I need to go this way. I hate this. Yellow circle. Red star. Fuck. What? Hello? Hello? Okay, I gotta have red star. Red star. Remember this, guys. Red star. I love this. This is great. Red. There's a red star. Red. Oh, maybe there's something up here I need to look at. Red star. No, nothing. Alright. Not that I know of. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Am I crouching? No. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. Red star. Green triangle. Whoops. Oh, okay. Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. We have a red star, and guess what? A green triangle, and then a blue star. Blue and red star, green triangle. Blue and red are stars. Blue and red are stars. Hi. Do you want to leave? Go ahead. Bye. Blue and red are stars. Green is a triangle. Blue and red are stars, and green is a triangle. Blue and red are stars, and green is a triangle. Blue and red. Watch, red is a star, and so is blue. And green is a triangle. Yay! 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 Ominous door opening. Yay! Come on, buddy boy, build up the courage. We're not scared of anything. I'm a big boy. That's why I'm called Buddy Boy, not Buddy Man. Hello. Oh, okay. It lagged a little bit. I'm called Buddy Boy, not Buddy Man, for a reason. I'm terrified. I hate this. My phone is on the floor. Yes, it is. But I will not grab it because I don't need it. Hi, Rambly. Let's just talk for... No, okay. Ooh. What does that do? I don't know why I got scared for some reason. Okay, yeah, being chased. I hate it, I fucking hate it, I fucking hate being chased! Ow, she bit my nipple. I hate... Okay. I had a feeling. A lot of horror games like to do that. You were caught by Molly Macaw. That's a cool... Molly can repeat words that she's heard. Don't be fooled. What? Press E to respawn. I'm sorry. Is there gonna be some mechanic where, like, you know, she'll what if she, like, copies, Rambly? Open the door? We run. Uh-huh. And then instead of taking this one, we take this one. Yee. I don't know what you're saying. You're not Rambly, though. You ain't Rambly. I'm a feeling we take this one, because I don't know. Come on. I'm not going that. I'm not going there. No tubey tubes for me. Please. Run in. We're running. I hate this. Oh, I hate being chased. It's my least favorite fuck. Did I fuck up? I'm gonna fuck. Okay. Sorry, I yelled. I apologize. Ooh. What the hell was I supposed to do there? I get it. Now I'm bad. What the fuck was I supposed to do there? Guys? Alright. Let's go. Open the door. And we're I don't know what she's saying because I'm more focused on surviving than listening to whatever she has to say. Alright, we're going this way. I'm running away. I don't wanna be caught because she'll eat my butt. My butt will not be eaten today. Ha! Nope. Molly Macaw is gonna eat my butt, and I don't want that because my butt is precious. My butt is precious and she cannot have it. She can repeat whatever the fuck she wants. It ain't fooling me. Uh-oh. You can't do that because you made me think that every time I jump up a thing, I gotta turn around. This is tough. I turned the volume down on my end. For you guys, it's the same. But I turned the volume down on my end because it's just so goddamn loud. It's so loud. And I also just don't like the dun 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 in my ear 24/7. Open the door. Open the door. Yeah, I know you're scary. You're not that scary. To be honest, you're just a bird that likes to crash. It would be cool if the death animation was just her like crashing a giant ass airplane into me. That would be kind of fun. That'd be kind of cool. What would happen? I don't want to be honest, just in case. But what if I went through there? Like, what would happen then? Am I going the completely wrong direction? And the end of this horror game show would be jumping through that? Because if so, sign me up. I'll do it. You give me, I'll do it. I will. I will. Alright, come on. Let go. Jumpy uppies. Can she fly or is she gonna like run? Does she also take the trampolines up? This way. We're gonna run this way. And we're free. Not free, but a car? Okay, we got a collectible. Dumb bitch. What? What? Oh! She was miles away. She was a good like 10 feet away. Like come on. Okay. All right. Maybe I did something wrong. Me? Do anything wrong? Buddy boy. You think I do anything wrong? No. Not me. I do nothing wrong. I'm so scary. You're not. Listen here, Molly Macaw. If that's even your real name, you nerd. Boing. Right. Uppy over. Keepy uppy. This way. This way. I guess I died because I turned around to grab the thing, but still. That's baloney. Whoa, oh no. I think that's supposed to be like, oh look, I can jump there, and then you don't. I think that's what that's meant for, like a false hope. That's what I was looking for. That's the word I was looking for. But it didn't do a very good job. Running away from a bird. Don't think I've ever said that before. Okay, yeah, just, get your big ass head stuck there. That's fine. Got that? We're done. Right? You're not gonna kill me? Good. This way? Okay. Yeah, I'm like, oh, it's getting pretty dark. Can't see much. Not that way. Just sprint.
There you are, buddy.
Hey!
Wait, hold on. This will step over you.
I don't give a shit.
Come on in, you step.
Hi, the door's locked. The door's... Oh! Rambly, that wasn't me.
Welcome to the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scary, upset.
Yeah, I am.
Currency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something.
What?
The park has been inactive for years.
What?
Stop showing up. Guests too. The mascots are...
What?
I just was so excited to see you.
Aww.
I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible.
Aww.
But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into.
Oh, Rambly.
Wasting all of your fun time.
No.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
No, Rambly.
But I have an idea.
Of
I have
course.
access to the repair documentation in my database.
Yeah.
I can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Be willing to help me restore the park?
Uh-huh.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this.
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
So you don't mind that I just murdered you? Well, I mean, it wasn't purpose. I didn't do it on purpose, but you know, I'm like, your friend's dead.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room. Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler registered security room to set yourself free.
Yay.
Kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers registered is a registered trademark that expired yesterday.
Cool. Thanks, Rambley. He said turn left, but I kind of want to explore.
Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong enough to enter it. But for now, don't.
Okay. Alright, that's fine. He just said, fuck you. You can't enter through there. But, you know, I won't. Rambley seems like a good guy. He seems like Helpy from FNAF Security Breach. But this is not FNAF Security Breach. It's better. Ooh. Molly McCart is dead. Am I going to kill the lion now? Who else is alive? We have the lion and the sea creature, the sea monster. What was his name? I know the lion's name was Lloyd. But what was the sea creature's name? I know he was Shy. That's all I remember. That chase scene was kind of baloney, I won't lie, but it was fun to an extent. So you know. Rambley! Look what I found. I found this.
Whoa, where'd you find that? I've never seen anyone wearing one. Pretty snazzy. Ooh, looks like there's an audio recording tagged with costume in my database I've never noticed before. Let's listen,
Let's listen.
Hey, Jackson, you hear about the new mascots?
Yeah, think it'll put us out of a job?
I think so. Old sport. And right after we got this damn raccoon costume.
Man, screw this place. I say we get our asses out of here and go straight to Vegas.
Yeah.
Aw, come on. They didn't even document the Indigo inventory ID for the costume. I was really looking forward to that. What a useless recording. Deleted.
Okay, it says, whoa, freaky. This must be one of the mascot costumes they use at the parks. In a weird way, I'm kind of glad they retired these. And I looked at that, I think I looked at all these guys. Okay, Rambley. Oh no, the entrance is blocked. I guess I'm gonna go this way. Where do we... Oh no, oh shit, now it's the fucking sea creature. Yay, I get quick path.
You made it to Oceanic Odyssey.
I did.
You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
Thanks. Oh, perfect. Look. Fuck, oh shit.
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass.
Pump, 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 pump. Stop. What the fuck? What the fuck? Well, good thing he's a water creature and I can't.
Hey,
I don't think I can swim.
Okay? You look
What?
kinda tired. Do
What
you
the
need a
hell?
moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself.
Why is it lagging?
Before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park?
Of
Thanks
course.
for visiting Indigo Park. Hope all your dreams came true.
Whoa.
Got some time and you're up for a lark. Stick around for the Rambley review. I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And
Is this the
lots
end?
of happy feedback ensures I get to exist.
Huh.
Were you satisfied with the rides?
Yes.
Were you satisfied with your guide?
Yeah.
Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did
Yes.
your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust? At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should.
Oh, it's the end.
But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee.
Okay.
At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we through the dark. And I'll be your spark of sunshine to
Damn.
get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're
Pickles.
gonna return.
Sorry, in Patreon
I'm so happy you
support.
rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime.
Team Neutron.
Again, in all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you.
Oh, of course, brother.
At least I hope I do.
No, of course, I'm your best friend.
Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park,
At Indigo Park,
then my remarks
more than my rep park, my marks.
I don't know what we might find, but fight through the dark.
Dark
And I'll be your spark of sunshine.
sunshine. Oh my God. Fine. At Indigo Park. Oh.
United again, and I won't feel so left behind.
Left behind.
See you next time, buddy.
Bye. Bye, Rambly. Okay, first of all, beautiful singer. Whoever voice acted Rambly, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Indigo Park is a full-on passion project that we're working on for a little over a year now. The stories in the world that we want to create with Rambly and his friends are very special to us. But with the scale of this game, we're going to need some help. If you enjoyed the experience with Chapter 1, consider supporting our socials if you want to see Chapter 2. No matter what happens, we hope you enjoyed your stay. Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. At Indigo Park. I would love to check your channel, but I'm going to hit the main menu. Yeah, go check out the YouTube channel or whatever channels they have. Go check them out, cause this was amazing. I wasn't expecting it to end so soon. I thought there was maybe like a little bit more left to the game, but there's still a decent amount that I got to see. I did miss quite a bit of Why is there no background? I did miss quite a bit. Can I hear the song again?
Hey, buddy. You okay?
Let's go. Okay.
You're kind of tired.
I'm gonna lower this.
Don't worry. You for taking a rest after all.
Sorry, you saw my thing.
For a nice, relaxing
Yeah, I lowered the thing for you guys. So,
before you settle down, you up for a little
go check these people out. I know Team Neutron. They are an amazing. They are an amazing animation team, and they make songs and beautiful animations. So go check them out as well. But this was fantastic. I like this a lot more than what Security Breach did, where you have to collect this and to get to this area, then collect this to get in that area, and then collect this to get that area, and blah blah blah. Where this is just like, do this, go there. Now, after you've done this, do this, do this. Like, the Security Breach was so weird in a sense that like, it wanted to be so many things, and it's not a finished game at all. There were so many areas where I was like, oh, is this supposed to be like a mini game or something? But I don't know. But this was a fantastic game, and I loved it. Thank you, Mason Myers. You are an amazing creator, and I hope. Look, he had what? 1, 2, 3. Like, oh my God. Jake Neutron helped a lot. He had like 7, 8 people working on the animations and everything. Hey, if you need a voice actor, hey. But yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.